La la la. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to my shaky leg. Merry Christmas from Skinboat. This is our Sounds Like Barnsley Christmas special. Whether you're on a work to do or whether you're just feeling festive, we're doing a very unusual set tonight of all our Christmas covers over the years. So we do a little show, video thing. And this is the Christmas horn. It's Christmas and we've got these songs. It's Christmas and it may go wrong when Santa comes but once a year, touching kids with that Christmas cheer. It's Christmas and I missed you. It's Christmas and we're on the glue when Santa comes but once a year, touching kids with that Christmas cheer. Ow. I've got this home for Christmas. I've got this home. I've got this home for Christmas and you gave it back. Santos and Elfie, you filthy f***ers. Elfie! If I'm introducing bits from a video at Christmas, at this point in my show, I'd like to introduce the Canadians in Space song that I filmed earlier. Glenn's excited.
My balls, don't touch my balls. Touch my balls, don't touch my balls. Touch my balls, don't touch my balls. Touch my balls, don't touch my balls. I'm a tennis player, I get superstitious. Don't you touch my balls, it's against my wishes. If I'm out in front or coming from behind, keep your fingers up. Ring my bell, don't ring my bell. 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 If I've been on nights and you got a parcel, don't you ring my bell. Don't you be an asshole. My special place is behind the bins on my neighbor's house. roadside donkey who's been overridden. Don't you spank my ass, cause he's not forgiven, and he's not forgotten. All the giddy ups, keep your hands to yourself. Touch my balls, don't touch my balls. Touch my balls, don't touch my balls. Touch my balls, don't touch my balls. Touch my balls, don't touch my balls.
New balls, please.
Thanks very much, that's about consent.
Smell that? It's the Barnsley Sounds Like Christmas special.
It's, now it's Boggity Smack. That's Boggity Smack. Boggity Smack. It's made by Somerset Port Productions, set in space.
Hi, my name's Dave. I'm also known as Infected Flinch, and welcome to a new bit of Somerset Port history, and this is Deep Space Boggity. I appear to have the files on, oh my God. It's happening to me.
Do you need to get your crossword?
I think I'm gonna...
Are you okay? I mean, I can help you get a burger or something. Or...
Give me some toilet roll! No! Here, I tell you what, I right fancy some mucky fish and chips, and I'm not even moving my mouth. I'm just not really trying anymore, am I?
So tonight we're a man down tonight. Our keyboard player's got a mad chest infection, so you'll have to imagine. In fact, later on you might have to help us with some of the tunes. Hey, Mr. Churchill comes on over here to say we're doing splendidly. But it's very cold out here in the snow, marching to and from the enemy. Oh, I say it's tough, I have had enough. Can we stop for cavalry? Can you do it?
Well, that was something very Christmassy. How about something else very Christmassy? Cheers.
Kirsch, we just love what you do with Christmas every year.
Yeah, the smelling Christmas, the pranks, especially getting turned into a tree. I mean, the fuckers at Tesco, they stole that idea. Incredible.
So what we want to do is take your track record to make us lots of money.
I think we can tap into the Gen Z market and sell loads of our product.
Okay, so we're still developing the branding for this, but we would love your ideas.
There are three things Gen Z loves. fragrances, Kush's crazy Christmas pranks, and portmanteaus.
A portmanteau is a word blending the sounds and combining the meanings of two other words, like brunch, spork, or chillax.
So that's why we're launching this new fragrance with your face on. Tagline, you'll not wear this just once. Portmanteau, nonce.
Love it! What do you think?
I'm not really sure that's what I'm about.
Okay, how about something more abstract? Strapline, peak, domination, portmanteau name, pedo.
Yeah, I'm not too sure about that one either.
Kush, it's me, your agent. These guys are not messing around. You can't reject a third idea. You want these tamales, don't you?
Okay. What about this? Strapline, perfect every time. Portmanteau, perv. Let's get that commercial shot!
This is amazing! I can't buy this!
Who's that?
And it was at that moment I realised I hadn't seen Dad in a while.
It's Christmas Eve. I'm gonna be late to the prom. Yeah, because my mom, she's working late. I can't get to the prom. Time's been tough since Dad ran away. Last Christmas Day, he hitched on that sleigh. Now he lives with Santa Claus. Life just sucks. I've missed the bus, and Craig has stolen my girl at the Christmas Eve dance. Yeah, thanks a lot, Santa Claus. Dad,
It's Christmas Eve. It's a championship game. Coach picked me for the team. I'm super stoked. I hope I make Dad proud. But Dad never showed. And then I found a note on Christmas Day that says he's gay. Now he lives with Santa Claus. And life just sucks. Everything's messed up. Craig is taking my clothes to the Christmas Day dance now. Thanks a lot, Santa Claus and Dad.
because
Dad?
sucks. I'll raise a beer to a Happy New Year.
I'll raise a tear to a crappy New Year.
I'll fight everyone in a scrappy New Year. Then I'll fight Craig in a slappy New Year. Life just sucks, everything's messed up. Life just sucks, I'm giving up. Life just sucks, and I've missed the bus. Santa, Dad, and Craig are at the Boxing Day dance. Yeah, thanks a lot, Santa Claus and Dad. Dad.
Hails Santos! Hail Santos! Just be a little while there. Hail Satan! Can I play with Christmas? Can I play with Christmas?
Merry Christmas, Merry New Year, Merry Happy Time of the Year. Marry me, marry you, merry little Mr. Hanky Poo. Merry Christmas, everybody, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Christmas and chicken tonight. That is us done, but if you want, we can all wait for that. Thank you for putting up with me, Skinboat. Thanks to Simon for doing sound. Thanks for Canadian Space for being there. Thanks to Scarfy for supporting this song. Thanks for Santos and Elfie. Shut up, Elfie! Is his catchphrase. Everybody, shut up, Elfie! Thank you. Right. Thanks for tolerating. We'll see you. Watch for this at the viewing Christmas. Binary. Bye!
Ho, ho, ho! Santa here. You might remember me from Santa's Greatest Hits. Also the T-shirts, Mouseback Book and Keychain franchise, obviously of 2019 as well. It was very successful. Now, as you can see, I don't have the white beard. I don't have the white and red hat. It's all a gimmick. It's all a gimmick. This is what I look like underneath. As scrumptious as you think I do, yes. Mrs. Claus is still a runner. Me and Elfie are... Elfie! No, Elfie! No! No naked flames! Me and Elfie are enjoying some bells. Well, I am, because you're a... But anywho, yes, I was at the Skinboat gig the other night, and I ran on and sucked the horn. it was a laugh, it was. No, basically, from one of the previous episodes, sat with Mr. Sutton, of course, I tried promoting the track, and he just cut me off, and I wasn't having any of it, so I thought, let's ruin it. I'm taking that on. I'm taking it. So guess what? Me and Elfie, we I know I'm talking about it! No! Yeah, we took the horn. We took the horn, basically. But, yes, you know, Merry Christmas. You might have one of my albums in your stocking this year. Fingers crossed, of course. You lucky. But yes, Merry Christmas, all!